pick the ugly.
Yeah, you pick the ugly one too.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hello, look at it. It's not really strong. I need tripod. Do they have big tripod here? What is that? You cannot do it like that and then erase it. Maybe tripod is right in the side. I'll follow you with this. Bee.
Oh, I don't know. Somebody took it. Oh, yeah, there.
Tripod. Looking for tripod.
Now she's looking for a tripod. You have a tripod?
Tripod.
No.
No?
See?
My tripod is too small.
I know. We don't. Maybe in the next week or two.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh my god, you just keep coming back here. $94 for that. It's like $25 off with your that's already mine. That's already the price.
I know you need one.
No, not here. I don't know if you can find a good price here for that.
That's a great price for that. You can't get it, but it's secret.
What is 5 TB?
5 terabyte.
Is that big?
That's bigger than any one I got. I don't have one.
No, we don't need that for now. We're just gonna get what we need.
But size-wise, it's the same size. It's just hold them up.
The external drive that you gave me, is that big?
Same size as the external drive you have.
So that means I still have a lot of space.
I don't know how much space you got left on it. You said you don't have much space left. No, it's the same size, but it holds more. You should just get it. So you just get it for you?
You think that's a good price?
I think it's a great price.
You give one.
What?
You can give one. Maybe you can find one at Amazon. Wait. No, you look. That's empty. Okay. Really? It's on? Hello. Hello, this is nice.
There's a higher mode. It seems like higher mode, right?
Yeah, what you need to get, Tommy? What is that? Home Desk? Desk? That's the one, look. Rumba. Another toothbrush, really. Infinite Soconia. No, I don't use. load this. Let's go. The air fryer. %, less fat. I like the silver and black. Oh, I like that. Holy sh! Oh my god. 300. That's really nice color. That's my color. Huh?
It doesn't do as much.
What do you mean?
Smaller.
They do the same thing.
5 quart, 6 quart.
It's just a little bit different.
$1.
Yeah, a little bit different. That's all. Tommy. $9. Only 4 pieces. 4 pieces only inside. Okay. They're ugly. I like the color. They're not ugly. That's ugly. You like ugly? No.
Different sizes.
That's nice right there. That white thing.
You pick the ugly.
Yeah, you pick the ugly one too. Yeah. $200. This is the same wok that I got. The wok. Wok. What?
When you have company on it, you got a lot of it.
Hala. 32 bucks.
That's nice.
Look, and did you see that office thing over there? Office table.
Sorry.
Look, how much is that? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, 170.
It's very small. It's like a blanket.
Hun, you don't need that, Tommy. You just like.
It's not comfy.
Of course. Oh, I really like that rug. That one.
Blue?
Yeah. Is it thick?
That's what you need in the basement. See, it's much thinner.
Oh yeah, that's the one. How much is that?
The ones I have will come out from here.
It's fine. I don't care if you put it inside really the basement. Yeah. Sorry. It's okay. But you have the one that you have is have a wheels.
No.
No?
Wheels.
We don't need wheels.
Like this, you don't need to use the wheels either, but I like it because it's narrower. You can't put the ones I have in that little hall.
No, that's not for over there. Refrigerator is supposedly there. Freezer. Oh, okay. Do you need that? You want it?
Maybe later on.
Yeah, that's what you're gonna keep doing. You keep buying and put in freezer.
Well, too much money for the. They have the.
How much?
$10.
How much total in the whole thing?
I don't know, but depends on how big a one you get.
Is that safe now having that thing?
Apparently, everybody's telling me that.
Okay then. Okay then. Yeah, I got one. I got two. That's all. Where are you going? Thank you. Thank you. What? We're gonna go over there. Oh, hot dogs? Oh, you're looking for hot dogs? Oh, sorry. It's right there, oh, under there. What is that? Right there.
I'm looking for the big.
Oh, the big one?
That sucks.
Didn't have it.
There. It'll be 4 fish. You get something to smile about? You know what you're doing, but you're smile. Huh?
They have a small, they're all small one. They're all small one.
Yeah.
That's not the one you. That's not. It's small. They're all still small. If you get the one you rather get the Nathan's. You like Nathan, so why you get that one? Okay. Oh, that's the one. Don't get that. I know, but instead of getting the other one, get that one, honey. Oh my god, it takes forever to choose. Hot dog freak. Not too green, like not, as long as there's green.
What's the word? It's what? Is this too big? One or two?
Just one.
Sure?
Yep.
Positive.
Yep.
Sugar.
Huh?
You need sugar?